For America's 250th birthday, I decided to take a short weekend trip to the East Coast and visit a couple of rail museums I haven't visited yet. The first one was the B&O Railroad Museum in Baltimore, Maryland. And needless to say, I was quite impressed. Even though the Cardinal train I took there was 7 hours late, but it was worth the delay. I can definitely say with confidence that if you are a fan of very early steam locomotives, we're talking like before or during the Civil War, you're definitely going to want to visit the B&O Railroad Museum. They have a plethora of examples, some of which I have never seen examples of at any other museum before. Pretty sure this is the only museum that has 2 camelbacks. I was surprised that the guardrail was operating considering it was 100 degrees out. Ugh. You may have figured this out already, but my main reason for coming to the museum on the 4th of July was to see none other than the recently restored Ready 2101, aka the American Freedom Train, number 1. Isn't she beautiful?
Traveling through our great homeland, helping us to understand what it means to be an American. Here comes that freedom train. Clear the way, she's coming through. Painted all red, white, and blue, making us feel proud and true. Here comes that freedom train. Freedom train. That freedom train. That freedom train. That freedom train. Dozens of cities along the way. Hundreds came both night and day to see the sights of yesterday aboard that freedom train. In the summer heat and the winter cold, people came both young and old to hear the stories of liberty told aboard that freedom train. Freedom train, that freedom train, that freedom train, that freedom train. For my sister and brother, line to race, creed or color, bringing hope to one another. Here comes that freedom train, rolling through the countryside, loaded down with American pride, spreading the message far and wide. Here comes that freedom train, freedom train, that freedom train, that freedom freedom train, that freedom train. Traveling through our great homeland, helping us to understand what it means to be an American. Here comes that freedom train. Here comes that freedom train. Here comes that freedom train.
Remember, that's where we were when the shop and there was a locomotive.
Fun fact, this GG1 was the one that was involved in the famous, or infamous I should say, Washington Union Station train wreck of 1953. Kinda sad to see it in the state that it's in now. And now that I finished the train ride, here's some clips from the rest of the museum.